How to see Spotify Wrapped. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and search Spotify and update your Spotify. Make sure Spotify is in the latest version. Only in the latest version you will find the Wrapped as it is the recent update. After you do this, open Chrome and search Spotify Wrapped. You will find 2025. Wrapped, make sure it's the official website of Spotify. After you do this, it will open this page here. You can open the app and you will find your Wrapped in here. It is not available as I didn't listen to enough songs. If you add Wrapped, you will find it here. And this is how to see Spotify Wrapped. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.